Yeah, well, I was thinking if you made, if you had the string, we could have done it like how we strung
Yes.
up the snowflake.
We've developed like a multidisciplinary program between nursing and therapy on 4 East for anybody who's in the hospital waiting on a heart transplant, where we get together once a week and do activities.
There are good days and bad days. I would say today is a good day. We're making flowers, and I made, with a little help from my friends, I made a wreath here of flowers. Pink is my favorite color, so of course we had a pink background. I had congenital heart defect when I was born, and unfortunately I've had 2 strokes, one in 17 and one in 24, and unfortunately it's just getting so bad that I need a new heart.
I'm going to make a flower to add to Tracy's wreath. The medical needs of these patients are being met in the hospital, and group was kind of formed with how can we meet their psychosocial needs and their mental health needs. Like this team of people is meeting their physical health, but how can we make sure their mental health is being managed too while they're inside these 4 walls for an unknown amount of time.
They have helped immensely. The last week I got to speak with 2 gentlemen who had already been through a heart transplant, and if you looked at them you would not even know. And so to be able to see somebody who's on the other side of it was fabulous. And then today just to have some other female interaction has been great, and do some fun things that I wouldn't normally do.
Group is once a week, and we have a whole multidisciplinary team that comes. Sometimes it's an exercise group with physical therapy. Sometimes it's an exercise group with occupational therapy. Transplant social work comes, the dietitian comes. The big thing that like drives home for me is that they say the heart transplant like medically saved their life, but they feel like the support they got from group saved their soul. The fact that people feel like we're saving their soul while they're in the hospital is like the most fulfilling reward.